Meet the intelligent window cleaning robot. Designed to automatically clean windows, glass doors, mirrors, and other smooth surfaces with minimal effort. A smart home cleaning device that helps keep your glass sparkling while saving time and reducing manual work. Powerful suction keeps the robot securely attached to the glass throughout the cleaning process. Intelligent cleaning paths ensure efficient coverage and consistent results across the entire surface. Remote control lets you start, stop, and control cleaning with ease. Effectively removes dust, dirt, fingerprints, and everyday stains for a streak-free finish. Built-in safety protection provides stable and reliable operation while cleaning. Perfect for homes, apartments, offices, and large glass windows. You can find the product link in the description below.